All right, so let's talk about how you can convert currency in Excel. Now, the best way to do this is really just to create a table. All right, so I have 4 different columns here. We have the exchange pair, which we'll cover what that means in a second, the exchange rate, the amount, and the converted amount. Now, what Excel is going to do for you is it's going to find this exchange rate. So let's say that we have 10 US dollars, all right, and we want to convert that into euros. So what we need to do is tell Excel what the exchange pair is. So in this case, it will be USD/EUR. So US dollar and the euro. You'll hit enter, and then you'll click on that cell where you entered that. You'll go to data and then select currencies. Now, Excel will automatically recognize that exchange pair if it's valid or if you've entered it incorrectly. And then basically that's going to link to a database that Microsoft uses to give you the current exchange rate. So what we'll do is we'll click on that cell, we'll hit this little plus sign here, and what we want to do is we want to know the price. So we'll go ahead and hit price, and then in the cell next to it, it's going to put the price. So $1 is 0.85 euros is what that's saying. So that will be the exchange rate. So if we want to take our $10 and convert it into euros, we take the $10 times the 0.85 to get 8.52 euros. So currently, as this video stands, $10 is about 8.5 euros. Now let's say we want to do it vice versa. We can do euro/USD, and that will get us how many dollars is in 1 euro. Versus right here, we have the amount of euros in a dollar. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, hit currencies. That'll recognize that. We'll hit the plus sign, and then we'll go to price. And then we can see that 1 euro is about $1.17 in US dollars. So let's say that we have 10 euros. We can do the same. We can do 10 times $1.17. That means that 10 euros is currently about $11.74. Now, if we were to put 852 here, that should go back to 10 based on the previous math, which we know that's correct. So this can be pretty handy because Excel will update these for you, right? They pull from a database that they trust. You don't have to do the work in researching what the exchange rates are. Excel does all the work for you. So basically, the biggest thing you need to really understand is the exchange pair, what that might look like. But other than that, that is how you convert currency within Excel. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment. And before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks so much. Have a good one.